RebateRentals.com presents Deerfoot Point. This floor plan is the Nightingale. It's their flagship model at 1,734 square feet of living area. It's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car attached garage. It's got good ceiling clear height. Coat closet off the foyer. And as you can see, lots of natural light. Lots of large curtain picture windows. Open floor plan with the see-through cutout between the living and dining and the kitchen. Half bath downstairs. Ceramic tile on all the wet areas. You've got a spacious 2-car garage, double door for privacy. You can see a real nice interior for the kitchen. All appliances. Upstairs is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Laundry area upstairs as well. Off the landing is your common hall bath with tile surround enclosure. Got a nice little hallway pantry, linen closet. This is bedroom number 1. Give you an idea of the space. Walk-in closet. Let's give you a good idea about footprint. Lots of nice architectural detailing. Another good sized bedroom. This is bedroom 2. Again, large curtain picture windows, washer and dryer, shelving for linens. And here's the master bedroom. You can see plenty of windows, good ceiling clear height. And then into the large vanity sink area. Soaker tub with tile surround wainscot. You got your window above. And then a separate standing shower, also with tile surround. If you have any questions about the Nightingale, again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. This is, again, at the Deerfoot Point community. You can reach us at 904-281-2100. Again, 904-281-2100. Or you can always look us up on the web, www.rebate, rentals.com. Again, that's RebateRentals.com. Deerfoot.com.